Telindus is the IT services expert when it comes to cloud data center, networking and security.
Today is all about SASE, and SASE stands for Secure Access Service Edge. Basically secure access towards the service edge, and it is an answer to modern day problems concerning hybrid work. So work from anywhere, from all types of devices, and also the shift to the cloud. Basically bring your whole application landscape to the cloud and connecting that user in a safe, efficient manner.
The strength from the collaboration between Cisco and Telindus on SASE is due to the technology that Cisco can deliver on SASE, combined with the IT services and the experts that we have to make that technology work as a SASE solution.
SASE is going to bring a completely different way for people to work, live and play. Let me elaborate and explain that. With the pandemic, we saw people suddenly needing to work closer to their families or from a remote workplace, possibly even a McDonald's or sometimes their car, and also from their office. This flexibility is now going to be enabled by bringing connectivity and security together. Security is fundamentally important in this scenario because you have to be able to identify vulnerabilities, especially when you're opening these new channels of communications. You have to be able to identify threats, proactively fix them, and that's why I think this combination of networking and security is going to enable this new lifestyle, if you will, and flexible way of working, whether it's remote, hybrid, or on the office premises.